What's up, guys? Welcome to Tutorial Masterclass. Think your old videos are dead and buried? Think again. Because today, I'm going to show you how smart YouTubers are reusing their old content and turning it into fresh growth, more views, and real money in 2025. If you've ever said, should I delete that video? Can I repost this idea again? Will YouTube punish me for recycling content? You're about to get answers that could revive your channel and even take it to the next level. Let's dive in. Part 1, the truth. Yes, you can reuse content. You can reuse old content and still grow. In fact, some of the biggest creators on YouTube do it all the time. But here's the catch. You can't just copy paste and expect new results. You need to refresh, repackage, and reframe that content. Because your old videos were made for yesterday's algorithm, but your ideas, still powerful. Part 2, 4 smart ways to reuse old content effectively. Number 1, turn long form into shorts. Chop up old tutorials, reactions, or reviews into 15 to 60-second YouTube shorts. These tiny clips can bring millions of views to videos you made years ago. Number 2, refilm with better quality or structure. Old video had bad audio, awkward delivery? Refine it. Upgrade the script, improve visuals, and release it again, fresh and improved. Number 3, bundle related content into one masterclass video. Got 3 videos on the same topic? Merge and re-edit them into a beginner's guide or full tutorial. Longer, deeper videos are crushing it in 2025. And number 4, update old content with 2025 trends. Revisit topics like how to grow on YouTube or best editing tools and inject the latest updates, tools, and hacks. Make it relevant again. Part 3, does YouTube punish reuse ideas? Nope, YouTube doesn't punish you for reusing ideas. What it doesn't like is re-uploading identical duplicate videos without change. But if you reframe the message, give it a new spin, and make the viewer experience better, YouTube sees that as fresh value. And let's be honest, most of your newer subscribers haven't even seen your old videos yet. Why let great content sit in the dark? And part 4, final tips and encouragement. Check your analytics. Find videos with high watch time but low CTR. Those are gold mines for repackaging. Use tools like ChatGPT to rewrite titles and hooks. Don't be afraid to remix yourself. Audiences love consistency, not just originality. Your past content wasn't a failure, it was a foundation. Now it's time to build on it smarter. If this gave you a fresh perspective on your old videos, give it a thumbs up, comment below with the title of a video you're thinking of reusing, and I'll reply with ideas to upgrade it. And don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass YouTube channel, where we turn smart strategy into real YouTube growth. See you in the next one.